Hi, I'm Kurt Jerman with Dennis & Yachting.
And I'm Kim Dumas with Dennis & Yachting.
We're here today aboard Midnight Star, a 2018 Seawind 1160 Light.
Let's go take a look.
Entering the cockpit on Midnight Star, one of the first things you'll notice are Seawind's signature trifold doors. They easily fold into one single panel, which is then lifted with the use of a portside electric winch. This opens up the single-level cockpit to salon to create one large indoor-outdoor living space.
Seawind has dual helm stations forward and outboard in the cockpit area. Both helm stations are protected with an overhead roof deck and optional side clears. The location of the helms with removable windows gives you excellent visibility looking through the cabin and forward through the large opening windows.
The spacious salon with U-shaped settee and large tempered glass windows afford amazing 360-degree views throughout. The contemporary simple design is clean and elegant, making it great for entertaining as well as comfortable everyday living. Storage is found in the coffee table and under the starboard settees. Batteries and electrical breaker panel are located under the settee as well. Seawind's salon table is mounted on an adjustable pedestal allowing for multiple use positions. The pedestal includes a gas strut cylinder that allows the table to be lowered and converted into an additional berth or night watch bunk.
Midnight Star is equipped with an easily viewed flat-screen smart TV and a Fusion sound system, complete with Bluetooth and DVD player. Down below the port is a functional nav station and desk with overhead storage and easy access to the electric panel. Outboard from the nav station are multiple storage cabinets with windows above, including easy to pull down shades.
Moving forward, we find the owner's cabin with queen-size island bed and ample storage throughout. Moving back aft is a large bathroom with a separate shower, electric flush head, and vanity with mirror. An easy access door in the back of the shower leads to the roomy port engine compartment, where you will also find the Cruise RO water maker.
Heading over to the starboard hull, we find Seawind's signature galley. The galley down affords more counter space with upper and lower cabinets inboard, double benchtop freezer, and front-loading fridge. Outboard is a double stainless steel sink with charcoal filtered galley spigot and a 3-burner propane stove with oven. After the stove and oven is a large upright storage cabinet for all of your kitchenware.
Forward of the galley is a guest cabin with a queen-size bed and its own in-suite bathroom. Outboard is a storage cabinet, hanging locker, and large window above. Overhead hatches and blackout shades and screens are found throughout the boat. Moving back aft through the galley, we find an additional guest cabin. Underneath the bunk, we find a large storage compartment forward and access to the starboard engine aft.
Back outside, you'll find 2 comfortable bench seating areas with barbecue grill centrally located. The overhead Targa arch supports 400 watts of solar as well as doubling as the dinghy davit system. The dinghy is an 11-foot 6-inch Sirocco with 20 horsepower Tohatsu outboard.
On the foredeck are 2 trampolines separated by a catwalk that houses the anchor chain leading to the stainless steel anchor roller and a 45-pound CQR anchor. Forward of the mast is a lazarette that contains a generator and propane locker. Forward of that is a locker containing the anchor windlass. More storage is found in 2 forward lazarettes separated by another locker designed specifically for storing a second anchor. Midnight Star's integral forward carbon crossbeam houses a retractable bowsprit. The sail configuration consists of a fully battened mainsail, self-tacking jib, and a Quantum AWA 80 top-down furling spinnaker.
Midnight Star is one of the best equipped Seawind 1160s on the market today. Optional equipment includes AC, heat, generator, water maker, and a top-of-the-line B&G electronics package, including radar, AIS, and autopilot.
Thanks for joining us today for our tour. If you'd like more information about Midnight Star, check it out on our website or give us a call.